Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. In my previous session, already I completed introduction part of alcohol, classification of alcohol, and nomenclature of alcohol. Three different type of nomenclature: common system, carbonyl system, as well as the IUPAC system. After that, isomerism concept also completed in alcohol chapter. After that, in my previous session, preparation method also I started. So already few preparation methods already completed. Now the last and final preparations method. Number one is from aliphatic primary amines and industrial preparation methods. After completions of this preparation method, then I will start the physical properties of alcohol and chemical properties of alcohol. Okay. Now the fourth preparation method from the carbonyl compound by hydrolysis of ester. Already in my previous session I completed hydrolysis of aldehyde, hydrolysis of ketone, hydrolysis of carboxylic acid. This is the last from the carbonyl compound, that is hydrolysis of ester. See here, alcohol can be obtained by the hydrolysis of ester, a diluted solution of an alkali or mineral acid. This is important. How we will prepare the esters? Generally, see here, an alkali or mineral acid hydrolysis with ester, it can easily to obtain the alcohol. Okay ma? So this is the fourth one from the carbonyl compound by hydrolysis of ester. See once again, alcohol can be obtained by hydrolysis of ester, a diluted solution of an alkali or mineral acid. See here, this is the general representation equation. So this is ester, RCOOR is a ester group. General representation equation, and hydrolysis of water or hydrolysis of mineral acid or hydrolysis of any alkali compound. So here generally ester hydrolysis with water. So what happened here? This R group and OH group is separated, converted as a alcohol. So remaining this H again connected with here. So now what are the products are formed by the hydrolysis of ester? See carefully, RC double bond OH, RCOOH, carboxylic acid plus alcohol group is formed. So generally, in the statement point of view, alcohol can be obtained by the hydrolysis of ester. So whenever ester is involved in the hydrolysis, the major product is the alcohol and byproduct is the carboxylic acid is formed. Okay ma? So see here, this is a ester, water is combined with ester, and carboxylic acid is a general representation equation of carboxylic acid, RCOOH, carboxylic acid, and ROH, it's the alcohol group is formed. So very important key point, ester whenever involved in the hydrolysis process, carboxylic acid and alcohol is formed. It's clear? Now the example, see here, CH3 double bond O C2H5, ethyl ethanoate, because of this is a ethyl group, this the CH3COO, it's completely 2 carbon also there here, ethanoate, ethyl ethanoate, and one more name is ethyl acetate. It's a common name, ethyl acetate, ethyl ethanoate, both of same, the ethyl ethanoate and ethyl acetate. So in this first R, in this example, first R methyl group, second R is a second alkyl group is a ethyl alcohol group. So this compound name is ethyl ethanoate. Hydrolysis with water, So what are the products are formed here? CH3C double bond OH. It's nothing but CH3COOH. Its common name is acetic acid. Acetic acid is not generally vinegar. Acetic acid, and one more name is the ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. So here one carbon, here one carbon. 2 ethanoic acid, because of carboxylic group is always oic acid. This is ethanoic acid, and additionally ethyl alcohol is formed. So my dear students, listen very carefully. In case of hydrolysis of ester, generally alcohol is a major product and carboxylic acid is the byproduct is formed. Okay ma? So I successfully completed right now hydrolysis of carbonyl compound from aldehyde and ketone and carboxylic acid, and finally ester is completed. These are the preparation method of alcohol with the help of the carbonyl compound. It's clear ma? Next, one more preparation method from aliphatic primary amines. See my dear students, amines also, especially primary amines also, it can easily to give alcohol. Primary amines also it can easily to give. So from aliphatic primary alcohol, see here an aliphatic 1 degree amines, it's nothing but primary amines. An aliphatic 1 degree amines is treated with nitrous acid or Na2 sodium nitrous or HCl combination, either nitrous acid or otherwise NaNO2 plus HCl combination. It can easily to obtain the 1 degree alcohol. Keep it in your mind my dear students. Important point is 1 degree amines is always give 1 degree alcohol. So not only carbonyl compounds, even amines also it can easily to give the alcohol. So generally my dear students, haloalkanes to give alcohol, and carbonyl compounds also give alcohol, and finally amines also to give alcohol. These are all the haloalkanes from the haloalkanes and carbonyl compounds, amines. These are the general preparation method of the alcohol. In the laboratories as well as the industrialization. Actually, it's not prepared in the industrialization. General preparation method in the laboratories, chemistry lab. So here, see here carefully the equation. This is a primary amine, because of amine group directly attaches to the 1-methyl group. This is a primary amine, and this is a nitrous acid, HNO2, nitrous acid. If HNO3 means nitric acid, why ic and az, ic is nothing but if the central atom showing the maximum oxidation state, that is called ic. If central atom showing the minimum oxidation state, that is the az. So this compound name is HNO2, compound name is nitrous acid. So instead of nitrous acid, you can use also NaNO2 plus HCl also. But here I mentioned nitrous acid. So primary amine reacted with nitrous acid, primary alcohol is formed. Additionally, nitrogen gas and water is also obtained. So important key point my dear students, how we will prepare the alcohol with the help of the primary amines. Primary amines whenever reacted with nitrous acid, primary alcohol is formed and nitrogen gas is obtained, and additional byproduct is the water. See, this is a general representation equation, but here see example CH3 CH2 NH2 ethyl amine. This is ethyl amine, nitrous acid reacted. You know that mechanism. See carefully. CH3 CH2 does not changes, but here NH2 group is separate. NH2 group separated from the nitrous acid. OH group connected to this ethyl group. Ultimately, ethyl alcohol is formed. Here one nitrogen is there, here one nitrogen is there. These two nitrogens are separated as a nitrogen molecule, it's nothing but N2, and remaining here H, here one H, here also one H is there. So this is completely converted into as a water molecule. So very important point, my dear students. In this example, ethylamine reacted with nitrous acid to form ethyl alcohol, nitrogen gas and water molecule. These are the preparation methods of the amines and carbonyl compounds and haloalkanes and haloarenes. So I successfully completed right now the general preparation methods of the alcohol. Now, okay students, now industrial preparation of alcohol. Already I successfully completed general preparation methods. Now industrial preparation method. It means if you want a huge quantity of the alcohol, these methods are important. First one, hydration of alkenes. First method is hydration of alkene. Second method is the oxo process. And third one is the fermentations of carbohydrates. So these are the three important preparation methods in the industrialization process. So first one is hydration of alkene. Alcohol can be prepared by adding water molecule to alkene. This process is known as hydrations of alkene. So in this process, how we will prepare the alcohol? Simple way, alkenes directly addition to the water. That's why this process name is the hydrations of alkene. Hydrations is nothing but water. Water is added to the alkenes. So keep it in your mind, my dear students. In the preparation method of the industrialization process of alcohol, first one is the hydrations of alkene. It means alkenes directly addition to or added to the water molecule, it can easily to form the alcohol, huge percentage of the alcohol. Now in this method may be carried out in the following two ways. So in this preparation method, two methods are involved here. From this first method you can easily to obtain the alcohol, and from the second method also you can easily to obtain the alcohol. The first method is the indirect addition of water, or nothing but indirect additions of water, and second method is the by acid catalyzed hydration. Indirect additions of water by acid catalyzed hydration. So in indirect additions of water, see here in this method alkene can be converted into alcohol. In this method alkene group or alkene compounds converted into alcohol by direct addition of water, presence of mineral acid. It's a clear ma? So here indirect additions of water. In this method alkene can be converted into alcohol by direct additions of water in the presence of any mineral acid. So now see here 2-methyl-prop-1-ene. So because of methyl group present in the second carbon, so that's why 2-methyl-prop 1, 2, 3 from this side 1, 2, 3 prop, the double bonds present in between of the first carbon to second carbon. That's why this compound name is the 2-methyl-prop-1-ene is treated with water directly, in the presence of the mineral acid. So CH3C, CH3OH, CH3. So this compound name is 2-methyl-propane-2-ol. So you carefully, my dear students, in the hydrations of alkene, direct additions of water, it can easily to prepare the alcohol, and by acid catalyzed method also it can easily to prepare the alcohol. The first one is the by indirect additions of water. This is the general equation of by direct additions of water. It is the preparation of alcohol. So what is the alcohol name here? 2-methyl-propane-2-ol. This is the alcohol name. It's clear, ma? And second method by acid catalyzed hydration. Here acid involved in the catalytic hydration process. See in this method first an alkene is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid and the product is hydrolysed with water. So here two steps are involved in this process. First one is alkene directly reacted with acid, sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. Then intermediate product is formed here. In this intermediate product, again treated with or again hydrolysis with water, finally alcohol is formed. So in this process, see carefully. First one, alkene, CH2 double bond CH2, this is alkene, ethene. In this ethene, you know that very well, in this alkene, the pi electron migrated to right side of the carbon. Upon here, carbocation is formed. Here, carboanion is formed. Now, this is a sulfuric acid. Now, I written here open structure HOSO3H. It's nothing but H2SO4. H2SO4. Here, why written like this one? Which atoms are cleavage and which atoms are connected with to alkene. That's why here sulfuric acid is written as a open structure. Now see here, already this pi electron migrated to this carbon, here carbocation is formed. Here also cleavage is formed in between the hydrogen to OSO3H. So OSO3H means, now what happened here, this hydrogen group directly connected with this side. So now here what happened, CH3 is as usual CH2 plus OSO3H is formed. So ultimately CH2 double bond CH2 reacted with sulfuric acid, this is the intermediate product, CH3 CH2 OSO3H, CH2O SO3H. Actually here carbocation is formed, my dear students. Here carbocation, because this pi electron may be shifting to here. Here extra negative charge is there, but this hydrogen directly connected to here. So CH3 CH2O SO3H, this is intermediate product. This intermediate product again treated with or hydrolysis with water. So what happened here, this H plus ion directly connected to this O, because here cleavage is formed. Here cleavage is formed means this entire the group is a negative charge, this entire SO3H plus is formed. So now what happened here, this H directly connected to here, upon CH3 CH2OH. So ethyl alcohol is formed. After that, see here H, one more H is there here, OH from the OH group. Here H, one more H is H2. Here SO3 is there. This SO3 again here O. So SO4. It's a very important point. In by acid catalyzed hydration method, alkene treated with sulfuric acid. After that, to obtain the alcohol, additionally again sulfuric acid. Okay, ma? This is a special equation. Once again, see. In the first industrial preparation of alcohol, first process is or first method is the hydrations of alkene. So in this process, two steps are involved. Step number 1, indirect additions of water. Step number 2, by acid catalyzed hydration. In direct additions of water, it means alkene directly additions to the water, alcohol is formed. In this process, again two steps are involved. First, initially acid directly reacted with alkenes, intermediate product is formed. This intermediate product again treated with water, finally alcohol, and byproduct is as a acid is formed. This is the first industrial preparation method of alcohol, that name is hydrations of alkenes. Then now here one important note is there. See, my dear students, higher alkenes to give 2 degree 3 degree alcohol. Generally higher alkenes to give 2 degree 3 degree alcohol in case of unsymmetrical alkenes. So here these are the generally lower alkenes, but generally, my dear students, higher alkenes is always, it means more than 3 carbon atoms or 3 carbon atoms. So higher alkenes are generally to give 2 degree 3 degree alcohol in case of unsymmetrical alkene. Very very important word, unsymmetrical alkene. Now my question is, unsymmetrical alkene of higher alkenes, unsymmetrical alkenes of the higher alkenes is always to give 2 degree 3 degree alcohol. See here example, this is the unsymmetrical alkene. Why it's called unsymmetrical alkene? See carefully. Unsymmetrical alkene means in between the carbon to carbon double bonded, in between the carbon to carbon double bonded, hydrogen atom is not similar. That kind of alkenes are commonly known as the unsymmetrical alkene. See in this example, CH3 CH double bond CH2. So carbon to carbon double bond, this carbon to carbon double bond, but in this left side of the carbon only one hydrogen, right side of the carbon 2 hydrogens are there. So that's why this is a unsymmetrical alkene. But in case of C here, CH2 double bond CH2, this is the symmetrical alkene. What is the reason? In between of the carbon to carbon double bond, the hydrogen atoms are equal. That's why it is a symmetrical alkene. But unsymmetrical alkene means in between of the carbon to carbon double bonds, if maybe hydrogen atom is not similar, that is called unsymmetrical alkene. Listen my dear students, whenever unsymmetrical alkenes involved in the chemical reaction with acids, always to give 2 degree or 3 degree alcohol. See here, CH3 CH double bond CH2, prop 1-ene, prop 1-ene reacted with sulfuric acid. This is the intermediate product. This intermediate product again treated with water molecule. Ultimately 2 degree alcohol is formed. Additionally sulfuric acid is also formed. So this is 2 degree alcohol. So this concept is followed by the Markovnikov rule. This equation is followed by the Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule. Already I discussed Markovnikov rule in my previous chapter, haloalkanes and haloarenes. So you know that very well. What is the Markovnikov rule? Unsymmetrical alkenes whenever reacted with mineral acids or hydrogen halide, 2 degree compounds are formed. That is called Markovnikov rule. Okay ma? Now second industrial preparation method of alcohol. This is a 2 mark point of view or 3 marks point of view, very very important. OXO process. OXO process is a very very important, my dear students. OXO process is one of the industrial preparation method of the alcohol. So how to prepare alcohol in this process? See here, in OXO process, this is another method to converted alkene into alcohol. This is also, here also alkene converted into alcohol. In this case, hydrations of alkenes also, alkenes easily converted into alcohol, but in the OXO process also, alkenes are converted into alcohol. Here 2 steps are involved, my dear student. See carefully, OXO process is very very important. First of all, in this first step, alkene first of all reacted with carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. Alkene first step in this process, OXO process first step, alkene directly reacted with carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas in the presence of cobalt carbonyl. This compound name is the cobalt carbonyl, and immediately to form aldehyde. This is the first step. Alkene reacted with carbon monoxide and hydrogen in the presence of the cobalt carbonyl, aldehyde is formed. And second step is this aldehyde again reacted with hydrogen in the presence of the nickel catalyst, in the presence of the nickel catalyst. So ultimately alcohol is formed. So in OXO process 2 steps are involved. First step is alkene reacted with carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas in the presence of cobalt carbonyl, aldehyde is formed. After that, this aldehyde again treated with hydrogen gas in the presence of the nickel catalyst, alcohol is formed. Okay, my dear students? And this is the equation, CH2 double bond CH2 alkene and carbon monoxide and hydrogen catalyst, cobalt carbonyl catalyst, propanol is formed, aldehyde, propanol is formed here. This propanol again treated with hydrogen in the presence of the nickel catalyst, and ultimately alcohol is formed, CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. It's a propyl alcohol and propane 1 mole. Propane 1 mole. This is the second preparation, industrial preparations of the alcohol, oxo process. Here important point is in oxo process also alkenes converted into alcohol through 2 steps. Step number 1 this one, step number 2 this one. And last and final, fermentation of carbohydrate. It's very familiar process, you know that very well. Fermentation of carbohydrates. So any one of the carbohydrate, it can easily involved in the fermentation process, easily to give the alcohol. See here, fermentation of the carbohydrate. Generally in sugar factories, alcohol prepared through this process, fermentations of the carbohydrate. See here, what is a carbohydrate name? Glucose, C6H12O6, glucose in the presence of the yeast bacteria. In the presence of yeast bacteria, and now ethanol and carbon dioxide is formed. So here yeast bacteria added to the glucose. This yeast bacteria released 2 enzymes. One is a 2 enzymes are released. 2 enzymes are released. Okay, ma'am. In this process, yeast produced 2 enzymes, invertase and gymase. Important point, invertase and gymase. These enzymes directly attack to the glucose molecule, hence ultimately ethanol plus carbon dioxide is formed. Here important point is, in the fermentation process, yeast produce 2 different type of enzymes, invertase and gymase. First of all, invertase to break the glucose molecule into alcohol, and after that gymase is also this molecule, ethyl alcohol molecule converted into pure ethyl alcohol molecule. It's clear, my dear students? These are the industrial preparation process. Now I successfully finished the entire preparation method of alcohol. First one is the general preparations method, second one is the industrial preparation method. Okay, ma'am?